As you know, today we lose our 20 brave soldiers while protecting our motherland at Ladakh. This was the huge sacrifice of our Jawans. So now it's our duty to fight against China. Hi friends, today I am going to tell you some important topics so that everyone should take it seriously. You know, from some time China is trying to capture Ladakh. After that, boycott Chinese products is trending, where everyone is requested to stop using Chinese products. And this is not first time this is trending. Earlier also boycott Chinese product trend was on high level when Corona started and was transferred everywhere. When coronavirus started transferring in Wuhan, they hid it with the world, and later world has to suffer due to this activity. Later China provided PPT kits to all those countries who was affected due to Corona, but those kits were of low quality and they have to return them back. After all, still they are so arrogant. From few days, innovator Sonam Wangchuk told, "We will fight this war with wallet and not with bullet." Sonam Wangchuk is an Indian engineer, innovator and education reformist. He is the founding director of the Students' Educational and Cultural Movement of Ladakh. He is making some videos to make people educate on how to fight with China. He has requested every Indians to stop using all Chinese software within 1 month and stop using China hardware within 1 year. From few years India is importing many products from China like electronic devices, machineries, chemicals and many things. And Chinese apps are also used widely in India. Chinese apps companies share Indian people's details with Chinese government. In the year 2018-19 India imported $70 billion products. Out of that $20.6 billion was electronic products. That means India was importing 30% from China. Vivo, Mi, Oppo, OnePlus, Realme, these are the top playing companies in Indian industries. Total 50% share capital is captured by all these Chinese companies. When India started boycotting these products, they came up with new ideas saying that 99% phones would be made in India. So we people should understand that even if they produce their products in India, it's Chinese company. Ultimately China will make profits. Now come to computers. Lenovo is Chinese company which has good market shares. In electronics, Haier has good market shares. Other than these, TikTok, Hello are widely used apps in India. PUBG, Xender, UC browser, all these are Chinese apps used in India. Other than all these, power sector products are also imported much from China. 80% antibiotics are also imported from China. India is using 60% electronic products which is Chinese products. India-China trade deficit is also much higher. That means India's import is much higher than export. In 2016-17 it's $51.75 billion. Trade deficit happens when any country's import is higher than export. In 2017-18 it increased to $63 billion. In 2018-19, Indians' export increased 30% and import reduced by 9%, as that was good sign. As we said, total 30% import is of electronic products. If we boycott it, India can improve the deficit. China is giving financial support to Pakistan and it is used mostly in terrorist activities. And that is China's plan to attack India and Indian army. So if we want to win this war, we have to follow 2 steps. First is boycott Chinese products. Second, support Indian brand and make in India. At the early stages it is difficult, but we should do it. Many Indian companies will start making Indian products and there will be competition. So product quality will improve and price will become cheap. Now Indian youth should take initiative to boycott and support manufacturing Indian goods. Due to Corona and Chinese issue, many companies are planning to shift companies from China to India. If this happens, many people will get jobs also and India's manufacturing industry will improve. So this is the best time to help India to grow, as China and America is going through trade war and many Chinese companies are boycotted in America also. Friends, this is a small request video so that at least 1 out of 10 will think about it. You please think about this. Please share this video to your family and friends so that we together can make this possible. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.